Hey guys, we received this basic concept charcoal odor absorber for test and try. So they are the large 12 pack, 100 gram each charcoal. Is just put in your smelly shoe or you can put in your closet or anywhere you want to use this. So this will absorb that stand because they have activated charcoal inside. And let me just open up its packing and show it to you. So they are really nice fabric bags here, and this have a charcoal things and the chunks as I can feel. So this also comes with this clip or the hooks that you can just use. So they are the chunks of charcoal. It's not like a powder charcoal, it's a chunk, and you can just use this hooks so to hold it and put it in your closet or anywhere you want to put in. So it's a really nice fabric case as you can see, and then very uh, thick material means like 100 gram of the charcoal, and then just put it in here. And if you say want to recharge, they put it in the sunlight for some time, and then once you put it in the sunlight, it will reabsorb the things, and then you can reuse them in your place. So it's a very nice charcoal bag, high quality premium fabric, and the charcoal inside with the supplied hooks. That's also is a high quality, and then you can just put it anywhere to use, and hope you like this as well.